Hazrat Hisham bin Urwa has reported from his father, Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu, in the year of the conquest of Makkah, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam set out and the Quraysh got this news. Abu Sufyan bin Harb, Hakim bin Hizam, and Budail bin Warqa came out in order to gather any information about Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So they proceeded, and when they reached Maraz Zahran, they beheld many bonfires as are made on the day of Arafah. Abu Sufyan said, "What is this? It looks like the fire at Arafah." Budail bin Warqa said, "Banu Amr may have made this fire." Abu Sufyan said, "Banu Amr are less in number than that." Meanwhile, some of the security guards of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam caught sight of them, took them over and arrested them and brought them to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then Abu Sufyan embraced Islam. When the Muslim army proceeded, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu to keep Abu Sufyan standing at a narrow passage, so that he must observe the force of Muslims with his own eyes. So Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu kept him standing at such a place, and the tribes accompanied by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam started passing in front of Hazrat Abu Sufyan radiyallahu anhu one by one in the form of batches. When a batch marched before Hazrat Abu Sufyan radiyallahu anhu, he asked Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu, "Who are these?" He replied, "They are the people of tribe Banu Ghifar." Hazrat Abu Sufyan said, "I have got nothing to do with the tribe Ghifar." Then the tribe Juhayna passed by, and a similar talk ensued. Thereafter Saad bin Huthaim marched by, and the same talk ensued. Afterwards Banu Salim passed by, the same remarks were passed. At last a batch passed by, the like of which Hazrat Abu Sufyan had not seen before. So he asked, "Who are these?" He replied, "They are the Ansars, the helpers, whose commander is Hazrat Saad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu, who is bearing a standard." Hazrat Saad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu said, "O Abu Sufyan, today is the day of massacre, and today it will be permissible what is prohibited in the Kaaba." Hazrat Abu Sufyan radiyallahu anhu said, "O Abbas, how excellent day of havoc has come." Then there came a batch, the smallest of all batches, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself included, as well as the emigrants, and Hazrat Zubair bin Awam radiyallahu anhu was bearing the standard of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed by Hazrat Abu Sufyan radiyallahu anhu, he submitted, "Do you know what Hazrat Saad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu has said?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, "What has he said?" He submitted, "He has said such and such a thing." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Saad has not said a right thing. Today Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will grant the Kaaba dignity, and today the Kaaba will be covered up with a covering." Urwa states, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed orders to fix the standard of the Muslims at Hajun. Nafi bin Jubair bin Mut'im has heard from Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu that he inquired of Hazrat Zubair bin Awam, "O Abu Abdullah, did Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam command you to pitch the standard at this place?" Urwa narrates, that day Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded Hazrat Khalid bin Walid to enter the city from the upper part of Makkah, Qada, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself entered from Quda. That day two men named Hazrat Hubeish bin Ashar and Kurz bin Jabir Farhi from Hazrat Khalid bin Walid's cavalry batch were martyred. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4280.